Welcome to the demonstration of our product registration and verification system. First, the manufacturer accesses the dedicated online portal in order to register a new product directly onto the blockchain. First of all, the product ID is entered. Next, the unique serial number is entered. This serial number will later be used by consumers to verify the absolute authenticity of the product. Following the serial number, the official product name is added so that consumers can easily recognize the exact item they are scanning. Finally, the manufacturer inputs their private key to authorize the transaction. The product is then minted on the blockchain, ensuring a secure and immutable record. The system scans the QR code and immediately detects it as fake, as the serial number is not on the blockchain. Now, let's try with a real product. The system scans the QR code and successfully verifies it as a genuine product, displaying its full life cycle provenance on the blockchain.